I'm Tracy at Cheese Needs and Learn to Make Cheese on Facebook. So people ask me all the time, what do I do with all that cheese? Well, I'm going to share my favourite cream cheese dip recipe with you. Okay, so you're going to need about 500 mils of sour cream. This is my own sour cream. Now I've got about 250 grams or about half a pound of cream cheese. This recipe predates cheese making for me. So I've been making this for about 20 years. You can buy the block stuff, it's fine. It's better if you make your own. So I cut my cream cheese up into cubes and leave them at room temperature for about 20 minutes. That helps soften it up. It's easier on my blender. And in here I have probably a cup and a half of shredded double Gloucester. I always use double Gloucester because I absolutely love the colour that it turns everything. And I'm going to reserve some of this. So we're going to use most of this. Dump it in there. So after I've blended it, I'm going to add in these. There's 2 tablespoons of green onions or spring onions or scallions, whatever you call them. Add these in after you've blended it so they don't get pureed. And a little bit of this double Gloucester is just left over to add some texture to the thing when it's done. So mixing this, you want to start mixing it with a spatula. Just trying to get that cream cheese to warm up. And then we move to the blender. Now it goes into a covered bowl for about 12 to 24 hours in the fridge, just for those flavours to really munch together properly. And then this is absolutely dynamite. Now you do have onions in there, so don't keep this for more than 2 or 3 days. You want to eat it fresh. Because there's onions in there, you've got a risk of it going mouldy or anything nasty happening to it. We don't want any of that. So, and of course I've got it all over me. Now you're going to want a sturdy crisp or potato chip for this. So I like these kettle chips, especially the salt and vinegar. It really works well with the creaminess of this dip. Amazing. You can go now. I'm just going to eat the rest of this.